Hi friends, this is Whitney with Faith, Trust, and Christ. We hope you guys are having a blessed day. If you are new here, we like to take you on travel adventures, talk a lot about Disney, and teach you some tricks for your Disney vacation. Today on the channel, I'm going to show you how to purchase your Genie Plus as well as make your first ride selection. So right on the home screen, you're going to push the purchase for your Genie Plus. You're going to scroll all the way down and push Get Disney Genie Plus service. A Genie pro tip for you guys is that the price ranges from $15 per day up to $40 per day, and it always depends on how crowded it is. If it's going to be lower in the price range, then it is low crowds. For us on this day, we went ahead and purchased multiple parks. We confirmed our party. Now, after this tab, it will have you purchase Genie Plus and go through the checkout. I will not be showing you guys that information, but it will just walk you through that. Now to make your first ride selection, we are now back on home screen. So we're going to go ahead and go to the menu button there at the bottom. You are then going to go ahead and push My Disney Genie Day. You're going to scroll down. We're going to flip from My Day to Tip Board, and as you can see, I'm going to push Show Only Your Disney Genie Plus, your lightning lanes. As you can see, it is 6:58. I went ahead and confirmed my party and purchased Genie Plus prior to 7 a.m. That way, I can be prepared and I am ready for our day at Hollywood Studios. Now you can see it's 6:59 now. I just keep refreshing, pulling the tab down until it reaches 7 a.m. and then I can book my first lightning lane. If you need a full video on Genie Plus, I have that for you guys to help you understand and maximize your days at Walt Disney World. That will be linked at the end or in the description box down below. Again, I am just continuing to refresh. Now that it's 7 a.m., I'm going to go down to Slinky Dog Dash because that's our #1 priority for Hollywood Studios. If you want to ride Slinky Dog Dash and get that lightning lane, I highly recommend going ahead and purchasing it first thing. Now I'm going to confirm my party, and then I'm going to push continue, and it's going to give you your lightning lane, your first selection. I'm also going to show you on View My Day how you can modify any of your lightning lanes. There may be a time where you want to get your lightning lane closer, or if you have a reservation, you need to modify your lightning lane. I'm going to show you right here how you can do that. So I'm going to go down to Slinky Dog Dash. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to modify plan. It is then going to give you a new time. If you do not like that time, you can push change that time, or you can pull down like I am doing. I'm refreshing the screen over and over until I get the time that is best suited for our family. I will then go ahead and click on it, and then it's going to give me a new reservation time. Then I'm going to push done, and my reservation has been changed. If this video has been helpful for you and your family for your next Disney trip, please like and subscribe. We would love to have you join our community. And if you have any questions about Genie Plus, please ask them below or go watch our video. We'd love to help you out. Have a great day, guys.